There is a certain Gatsby-esque magic to the Long Island Sound, though thankfully, VillaForte in Great Neck leaves the tragic brooding at the door. Transport yourself to the Italian Riviera without ever leaving the prestigious village of Kings Point, VillaForte, an architectural triumph that seamlessly blends the romantic styling of a classic Italian villa with the pinnacle of modern luxury. Sprawling across 2.5 acres of lush waterfront grounds, this estate is an entertainer's dream, complete with a private deep-water dock. Beyond the wrought iron gates and down a winding, private drive awaits a home of unparalleled character. The exterior is a visual masterpiece, accented by a multi-shaded red tile roof, striking blue decorative tiling, stained glass windows, and elegant terraces shaded by classic red awnings. Step through the front doors into a grand two-story foyer where your eyes are immediately drawn upward to a hand-carved mahogany tray ceiling. Follow the window-lined hallway beneath exquisite groin-vaulted ceilings into a great room designed to impress. Here, a formal bar, a hand-carved fireplace, and a waterside lounge set the stage for unforgettable gatherings. The gourmet kitchen is a culinary masterpiece featuring premium black Viking appliances, dual dishwashers, and a sunlit breakfast area overlooking the water. Unwind in the adjacent family room, adorned in striking black and gold fleur-de-lis wallpaper, or host grand dinners in the expansive formal dining room, serviced by a butler's pantry and a secondary prep kitchen. The second floor is crowned by a primary suite that defies expectations. Vaulted ceilings with bespoke wood paneling frame a space that includes a private office, a fireplace, a waterside terrace, and separate dual master bathrooms and walk-in closets. Five additional en-suite bedrooms ensure absolute comfort for family and guests, while a stunning library offers a quiet space to read while gazing out at the water. The lower level is a destination in itself. Designed to flow effortlessly out to the backyard pool, it acts as an indoor cabana, boasting a full kitchen, media room, and a state-of-the-art wellness spa with a sauna and indoor hot tub. A private guest suite, ample cedar storage, and a 3-car garage complete this extraordinary estate.